Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. 1. The picture shows a farm scene. 2. A woman is working in a garden. 3. She is wearing an orange apron. 4. She is holding a purple hairdryer. 5. She seems to be using the hairdryer on the plants. 6. There is a bucket beside her. 7. Various vegetables are growing in the garden. 8. There are lettuce, beets, and watermelons. 9. The garden has green grass around it. 10. In the background, there is a fence. 11. A man is leaning on the fence. 12. The man is wearing an orange jacket. 13. He has a hat on his head. 14. There is a snake on the fence near him. 15. There are apple trees in the background. 16. Red apples are hanging from the trees. 17. The sky is blue with white clouds. 18. A planet with rings is visible in the sky. 19. The garden is surrounded by hills. 20. The scene is bright and colorful. Questions Answers Practice. What is the woman doing in the picture?
She is working in a garden.
What is the woman wearing?
She is wearing an orange apron.
What unusual tool is the woman using on the plants?
She is using a purple hairdryer.
What is next to the woman?
A bucket is next to her.
What types of plants are growing in the garden?
Lettuce, beets, and watermelons are growing.
What color is the hairdryer?
The hairdryer is purple.
Where is the man standing?
He is standing near a fence.
What is the man wearing?
He is wearing an orange jacket and a hat.
What animal is on the fence?
A snake is on the fence.
What is hanging from the trees in the background?
Red apples are hanging from the trees.
What color are the apples?
The apples are red.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
What is in the sky besides clouds?
A planet with rings is in the sky.
What color is the woman's apron?
Her apron is orange.
What does the man have on his head?
He has a hat on his head.
What is the woman holding?
She is holding a hairdryer.
What surrounds the garden?
Green grass and hills surround the garden.
What season might this scene represent?
It might represent spring or summer because of the greenery and bright colors.
Are there any clouds in the sky?
Yes, there are white clouds in the sky.
Is the scene indoors or outdoors?
The scene is outdoors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.